Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing who is a person in authority and who is an agent of person in authority. Person in authority and agent of person in authority. The questions, who is a person in authority and who is an agent of person in authority, are answered by Article 152 of the Revised Penal Code. Let us discuss first who is a person in authority. Person in authority. A person in authority is one directly vested with jurisdiction, whether as an individual or as a member of some court or governmental corporation, board, or commission. Siya ay isang tao o individual, membro ng isang korte o government corporation, board o commission na pinagkalooban ng tinatawag natin na jurisdiction. Jurisdiction, the power to govern, execute the laws, and administer justice. May kapangyarihang mamahala, magsagawa ng batas, at mga siwa ng katarungan. The following are examples of persons in authority. First, elected officials, such as mayors. Second, those related to the administration of justice, such as provincial fiscal or judges. Third, those in the line agencies occupying positions which are policy determining. Fourth, division superintendent of schools. Fifth, public and private school teachers. 6. Lawyers in actual performance of duties. 7. Punong barangay. 8. Members of Sangguniang Barangay. And 9. Members of the lupong tagapamayapa in their jurisdictions. For items 5 and 6. Teachers, professors, and persons charged with the supervision of public or duly recognized private schools, colleges, and universities, and lawyers are also person in authority. However, teachers and lawyers are person in authorities only for purposes of direct assault and resistance and disobedience, but not for purposes of indirect assault or other crimes. Ang teacher, professor, and supervisors of schools at lawyers ay person in authority lang sa crime na direct assault at resistance and disobedience. Pag ibang crime na po, like indirect assault, hindi na po sila considered person in authority. For teachers, professors, and supervisors of schools, colleges, and universities, they must be within the school premises during school hours or are actually performing the task outside the school premises. Halimbawa po, si teacher nasa faculty room ng school tapos sinugod at sinampal siya ng estudyante. Direct assault po siya kahit during that time hindi po siya nagtuturo. Take note po, the teachers here include private and public school teachers, where the law does not distinguish, neither should we distinguish. For lawyers, they must be in actual performance of their professional duties or on the occasion of such performance. Kung tambay lang po siya dyan at sinaktan mo siya, pwedeng physical injuries ang kaso mo at hindi direct assault. For items 7, 8, and 9, punong barangay, members of Sangguniang Barangay, and members of the lupong tagapamayapa are added by Section 388 of the Local Government Code, which expressly provides that said persons shall be deemed as persons in authority in their jurisdictions. Take note po, for 7, 8, and 9, persons in authority lang po sila kung saan sila assigned as purong barangay, etc. Kung si Juan ay punong barangay sa Barangay A, sa Barangay A lang po siya considered person in authority. Pag sa Barangay B po siya, hindi na siya person in authority po doon. Next, agent of person in authority. Agent of a person in authority. Agents of a person in authority are those by direct provision of law or by election or by appointment by competent authority is charged with the maintenance of public order and protection and security of life and property. Sila naman ay ang mga taong ayon sa batas natin ay may kapangyarihan na magtaguyod ng kapayapaan at may tungkulin protektahan at panatilihing matiwasay ang buhay at mga ari-arian. Take note po, to be considered person in authority, the function of the public officer must be connected in any way with the preservation of law, peace, and order. The following are examples of agent of persons in authority. First, agents proper, such as law enforcement agents, such as the police, barangay tanods, or other barangay officials and members who may be designated by law or ordinance and charged with the maintenance of public order, protection and security of life and property, or the maintenance of desirable and balanced environment, and any barangay member who comes to the aid of persons in authority. Second, those who carry out or implement the orders of persons in authority who are their immediate supervisors, such as municipal treasurers as agents of the provincial treasurer, the postmaster as agent of the director of posts, sangguniang secretary, or clerks of court. Third, any person who comes to the aid of person in authority who is under direct assault. We call them agents by assistance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.